Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Ukiki Marvelous Chinenye. I'm a certified flight attendant. However, I'm still hoping and searching for jobs in the airline industry, aviation industry. So today's vlog is going to be about Abuja job hunt. So today we decided to go to private jet companies to submit our CV. I am my friend Juliet, and to be honest with you, right? We've been planning this thing for months.
You know, I've ordered right.
And well, let's wait for it right now. We've been planning this thing for months. Finally, after a lot of procrastinations and the rest, so today we've decided to go, and we've listed all the private jets. First, she came to my house, I think sometime last year. We listed all the private jets we want to go to, private jet company we want to go to. We kept procrastinating. Today that we now decided that okay, we want to go, she came without the book. She came without the book, meaning that to be honest, I'm not feeling it, and she too, she's not feeling it. Like, we don't feel like, that ginger. The ginger is gone. She don't feel like going. Me too, I don't feel like. I've been quiet since I finished making up and dressing up, since I've just laid down on the bed and I've been quiet. So now she has other boats that'll take us to the place. The first place we are going to. Where's the first place?
Westlink.
We're going to Westlink first. After that should be in Jabi. After that, we wrote down some places again just now. So after that, that's how we keep going. So hopefully it turns out good. This one that none of us were feeling it. Say hi to Juliet.
Hi. I am not feeling anything at all, but please go and give it a try.
See, our series and everything. We're not feeling it though. We aren't, but it's all good. So yeah, I'm taking you guys along with me, so you guys see and wish us well. Yeah, I have nothing more to say. God, I look so fine. Although I did not even brush my hair or gel it. But anyway, it is what it is. So talk to you guys when we start moving. Let the search be the hunt begin.
Sorry. It doesn't need to settle us.
I wish you're doing that so well.
Amen. Yeah, let's go. There's not even how are we going to submit this. We give them by hand. So take.
Yeah, yes.
You mean? Come on, zip me up. This guy bot is here waiting already. I'm doing video. Marvelous. You are mad, Abby?
Come and help me lock the gate. My hands are full. Please now. Is this a man? Is this a man?
And I've lost everything, forever living in the dark. I feel so alive, still remembering.
We are at the Westlink Aviation or private jet company. So we're going to drop our CV and probably chit chat with them for a while and see if they have vacancy. But I'm not sure what. Did you come with face mask?
No.
So
guys, we just finished from West Link and we met one of the HR. It was really nice. They're very nice in this place, very nice. So submitted our CV and they told us there's no vacancy. If there is, we should send our ratings and the rest.
800.
So we're going to the next place. So Abuja is not like Lagos. In Lagos, it took me time to go from one place to another. But here it's just sharp. No hold up, no traffic, nothing. Our Uber is even here. So our Uber will be here in 2 minutes. So my friend,
I'm not feeling okay. This one is somehow not stressful, and the man is friendly. I think so.
the man is very friendly.
Yeah, it's not very, just friendly because he's not even look at our face. Just we'll get back to
But
you.
he's friendly.
He's not friendly.
Anyway,
You know what funny is that we're talking to you. How are
he
you?
was in a hurry. Did you see him?
Even like that. But
You-
the bottom line
you-
is that he collected it, which is the
You,
best.
are you friendly on a normal day?
Yeah.
I beg. I hear word. So guys, we are at the second place. This place is something. I'm going to do. This place is premium something. I don't even know. And it's a plaza. I don't know. It does not look like where a private jet company will be, but you never can tell. Don't judge a book by its cover. So first we want to photocopy our CV. Can you even see me? Yeah, first we want to photocopy our CV, and then afterwards we locate the place. See, it's holding empty. I can't even hear myself. The generator is too much. Anyway, sir, I'll talk to you guys when there is less noise. Hi guys, so we're done with the second place, and if my friend is not a human being, she told me something before we entered the office. It was hooked. I wanted to laugh, but I was seriously holding myself. And at the end of the day, the man made sense with a lot of things he said. So sorry, I'll talk to you guys. What did my friend say that was very funny, that just kept me, was making me to laugh, was that she said that, because when we went downstairs, we went to the office, we now told them what we came for, and they were like, okay, let them go and meet, we should follow them downstairs. So we followed them downstairs. We didn't really tell them we are looking for a job, but we just told them, we checked online and we saw private jet company, and we decided to come. So and now took us to the man's place. The man was eating, so next thing he now said, let's go upstairs, let's go to his office. So we went to his office. On his way to his office now, my friend said probably the man is looking at us and thinking that we want to come and do private jet chat about this. She's pity for them, because at the end of the day we'll tell them that his job was looking. Oh my god, it's so funny. Like, I can't just stop laughing. Come on, where are we going to? It's so funny, I just can't stop laughing. So did you check the plate number? Is the man around here? The man should be around here. Check now. Did you on my data? So when we now entered the office now, that was the last thing she said before we entered the office. So when she entered the office, and I was trying to talk, like I was introducing us. Yes, and I was introducing us. Omo, the thing was just hooked. Like I wanted to laugh. It was very funny, but I was holding myself. I was trying to be professional, and instead I was giving a good smile, like a cabin cushion. But it just remained small. I would have just burst out and start laughing.
And you're not listening. It is your choice to make a little mockery. It won't do. Further down the line, still surrendering, trying harder to forgive you. Candlelight has gone out.
So, people of God, we are at the third place. We are the third place, yeah. So now I can move my glasses because of there's no sun here. So, just to update you guys, my friend left her phone when we went to print our CV. Like, how do you leave a phone that is as big as that? And guess what? That was the first place we went to in that plaza. She totally, we are still going up. No. We are still going up now. We totally forgot. And then we went to the company, the place we went to. And it was now later on when we entered Uber that she was not like, where's my phone? And then, you see the way that this girl wanted to start crying like a baby. I was like, calm down, let's call first. We now called and, you know, we called and then somebody picked and told us that it was the first place we went to. So we quickly ran. She quickly ran to get the phone back. So that's by the way. We're fine, thank you. You're already spoiling it. So now we're at the third place. No, it's a green and white.
It's not that place. The green and white is not the I think
so,
the name is
what is this? What's that? Just sitter now.
It's not here now.
It's where? We'll ask question now. We'll ask question. Travel me, visa, passport. Okay. So hi everybody, we are done with the third place. Now we're going to Institute de Francais. The place we went to, they said they've moved out, they're no longer there. So but we met somebody that gave us the lady's number, so we should call the owner. We should call and, you know, tell them our business or what we were looking for them for. So now we're going to Institute de Francais, close to Beer Bar. And sorry, yeah, my friend is going to make inquiries. I don't know, she schooled there, I schooled there, I mean she's schooling there. So I don't know why she's going there. So anyways, probably after there I'm going to end. No, you know southern fries, ba?
Huh?
Southern fries.
Okay, southern fries.
Yeah.
That's entire year.
See southern fries now.
Oh, so I hear say after.
Yeah,
Let me reverse. No man.
No, don't worry.
Now, couple with the old age, they won't remember.
I think I say you say you don't old.
I don't know my age. When I've born many of your types like this.
So let's just stop here.
Let's just stop here, right? Yeah.
Okay.
So hello everybody, we're at Hilton. We came to see our friend. Hi, what's up?
How you doing?
I'm fine. We came to see our friend. Is it? What is
I'm
it?
printing your phone.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
How are you?
Okay. A gem for it.
Yeah, they're chopping now. They're chopping money.
How much chopping money?
See, everywhere, that's strange.
How?
Everywhere, sure. They pure
Wow.
outside.
I just did. I don't chop any money. I beg.
Everywhere still. Your eyes, everything.
I know they see what they
See
talk.
your skin, man. That's the way they glitter.
Yeah, it's God. It's
It's
God.
God.
It's God.
It's God.
That's him, God. Favor me.
So we came to Hilton to see one of us. Okay, she works here, but she's a certified flight attendant like us. And she's busy. She's currently busy. I'm going to show you guys. She's currently busy because trying to put one or two things. Yeah, she's at work. So we're waiting for her to finish or we're going to break so that we can give her update on what we've done so far. And because she'll be joining us on Thursday or tomorrow. We don't know yet. What are you doing?
Remember, I forgot my phone. Let me just put it in my bag. The phone is disappeared.
The fact that you forgot your phone is surprising to me.
The phone only saved me today. I don't know what would have happened if I lost this phone. And the person is really nice person. He's not even off the phone or trying to. Why am I telling you guys about this?
If you don't tell them, I'll tell them. They're my little family.
I'm not careless. I am not careless. In case you want to think I'm careless, I am not. Because when some things happen, I have a lot of bags. I was kind of bags. I forgot.
Well, we're glad to work there.
Starting me to remember distributed instructions. She was, I don't know, she was doing something that was distracting me.
I can't distract you.
The bottom line is, did you carry, you are like, I don't want to carry that many loads.
I don't like carrying loads.
So I end up carrying all the loads, even though it's mine.
The only
I end
load
up
I
carrying
carried, the only load she carried for me was my phone. And that was it.
the phone is easy to carry. It was my bag and my small bag. Look at this bag. So this one and the big one. So that was what happened. And I'm just lucky because we spent like 30 minutes, more than an hour. Still, the person still kept the phone for me. You'll have off the phone, flashes, and just send it. God is faithful.
Anyways, from here, we don't know where next, but let's just say hi to my sister/friend. And then talk later.